Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start, I just want to let you know that this video is in collaboration with Chrissy Glam. All of her videos are beauty related and they are the bomb.com. I want to get into makeup. I don't wear much makeup, but I want to get into it, and I'm going to especially go to her channel and check out how to do my eyebrows, how to put on foundation, you name it, she has it. So go on over and support her, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to her videos, and also tell her that Ebony sent you. So this video, as you can tell by the title, is how to be productive during quarantine. As you can see, this hair is dry.com and it needs some TLC. So I haven't had much time to really like deep condition or anything. I haven't been wanting to go to the stores and, you know, buy any deep conditioner. So I'm going to show you guys how to do your own DIY conditioner at home. Stay tuned.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
All right, so my hair is freshly washed and I'm about to apply this deep conditioner. And I'm gonna put this t-shirt on because I know it's gonna make a big mess. So let's put this t-shirt on. So here's my conditioner. And I've got my hair divided into 4 sections. And I know it's a little runny. That's because I put so much extra virgin olive oil in it. So if you don't want it so runny, don't put so much stuff in it. So yeah, it's what you prefer. Here we go.
Ryan Little.
I'm just rubbing it through, making sure it gets everything. And I know in the morning, guys, my hair is going to feel lovely. And I'm making a big mess, but oh well. Where do I have to go? Nowhere, so. And what I do, guys, and it's totally up to you. I like to sleep in my deep conditioners. Or sleep with my deep conditioners in. So you can either, you know, keep it in your hair for a few minutes and then rinse it out, or you can sleep with it in overnight, and that's what I plan on doing, and rinsing it out in the morning. So let it get everything, even your ends, because that's the part that's the oldest. So you want to make sure you take extra care of your ends. And when I'm done, I'm just gonna twist it up. And my hair isn't detangled yet, guys, so in case you're wondering, it is still kind of tangled up. Oh, I got deep conditioner flying everywhere. Good thing Mama isn't in here. So down below, tell me how you guys make your at home, your DIY deep conditioners, and what you like to put in it. This is very convenient, so you don't have to run out to the store and, you know, buy a deep conditioner, or just stay in the house during this quarantine. Don't go out if you don't have to, guys. Okay? All right, on to the next section. It's kind of, there we go. This is going to get messy, especially with egg in it. I had to put my head over the bowl because I didn't want it to get everywhere. Okay. And already, guys, I can tell this is going to be lovely in the morning. It's going to feel awesome. can already tell. And as you're putting it in, just divide your hair and make sure you get every strand, because you want to nourish. Make sure your hair is, you know, well deep conditioned. So make sure you get everything. And my hair definitely needed this. So tell me how you guys have been, you know, coping with this quarantine, especially with your hair. What have you been doing with your hair? Have you been protective styling, or has it all been the same, or what's been going on? Talk to me down below. Okay. Got some shed hair, as usual, because I didn't do nothing to it all week, and that's my fault. All right, on to the top.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
So what I'm going to do is I have 2 of these shower caps. I'm just going to put my hair in them, cover my head up with them. And I like to use 2 because my hair is so thick. You don't have to use 2 if you don't want to, but this is what I do. Okay, so I have 2 caps on. And like I said, I like to sleep with my deep conditioner in overnight, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'll see you guys in the morning after I rinse it out. See ya. All right guys, so I decided to go ahead and rinse it out instead of waiting until in the morning. So yeah, I went on and rinsed it out. So my hair, it felt really soft and manageable when I went on and rinsed it out, and it's still really soft, guys. So this DIY conditioner is just as good as, you know, getting a normal deep conditioner from, you know, the store. So instead of going out during this quarantine, guys, go ahead and make you know, a DIY conditioner. Put you some oils in there, whatever you have on hand. You don't have to use the same thing that I've used. Yeah, but I wanted to add honey. Next time I'm going to put honey in. I meant to add honey, but I forgot. So what I used was perfectly fine. My hair is nice and soft, and it feels like, you know, it's restored. So if you made it this far in the video, you might as well subscribe and join the family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.